In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the Magic Extend tool in Canva. So I have a Canva file open and I have this photo here. I would like to extend this photo a little bit further so I can put some text right here in the image. So if I select the photo and go up to Edit, you'll see the Magic Studio right here. These are all Canva Pro tools. You can see the little crown is next to several of these, but at the end of this row is called Magic Expand. So let's select this. And I'm just going to go freeform and make this image a little bit longer. So I have plenty of space to put some text right here. And let's go a little bit longer on the bottom as well. So I really just want to extend this table, but have this bottle of perfume up at the top left. Okay, so I dragged the edges to where I wanted it, and let's just click expand. So Canva is thinking, it is trying to figure out what to put here, and it's just going to take a minute. Okay, so this is going to give us a couple different options. It put this weird candle in here. I definitely don't want the candle. So that is not one we want, but you can see there's a couple other options. Let's click on a few other of these. This is a little strange. I can still see a line right here, so I don't love this. And the other ones, it's also trying to put some other things in this frame. So let's say generate new results, and let's see if we get a better result the second time. All right. A few other weird things, but let's click on this one that has nothing in it. This is still not great, but technically you could put some text here. So this is one of Canva's AI tools, and it's trying to fill in the rest of this image using AI. So this will get better over time, but you can see this is now a much more usable image to put text into. So if I just drag this photo, I can easily add some text right here and maybe put it in white. And this is going to work a whole lot better on this photo since I have a lot more space to work with. So that's how you use the Magic Expand tool in Canva. Check out my beginner Canva tutorials and free resources at the bottom of this video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe to Crye Studio for more graphic design and Canva tutorials. Thanks so much.